We are the Andor chaperones, and you're in big trouble for being so mean to Timmy. Dev.
You can't fool us with this innocent act.
A flash flood warning remains in effect until 11 p.m. Pacific Standard Time this evening for the Franklin Burnskar and the western portion of the Palisades Burnskar west of Las Flores Canyon Road. At 8:15 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, local law enforcement reported flooding along the PCH produced by heavy rain across the warned area. While not immediately likely, a life-threatening debris flow will be possible. Hazard: debris flows caused by thunderstorms. Source: law enforcement reported. Impact: mud, rock, and debris flows will impact drainages, roads, and residences in and directly below the burn area. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Malibu Creek State Park, and Malibu Canyon, and Los Vergens Road through the Santa Monica Mountains. A 0.39 inch per hour rainfall rate has been reported around Pepperdine, and higher rainfall rates are likely occurring. Precautionary preparedness actions: this is a life-threatening situation. Heavy rainfall will cause extensive and severe flash flooding of creeks, streams, and even ditches in the Burnskar. Severe debris flows are possible across roads. Roads and driveways may be washed away in places. If you encounter floodwaters, climb to safety. A flash flood warning for a recent burn area means that flooding and debris flows are imminent or occurring. Residents living in or immediately downstream should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. Listen to emergency management and local officials for additional information.